Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. So in this video, I'm organizing my fridge and freezer and sharing it with you guys with some tips and tricks on a budget. So if this fridge is that smart, it should be cleaning by itself. Oh well, so to start off the project, I first deep cleaned all my fridge and I already shared that video with you guys and I will link it down below for you. But to organize our fridge, I bought some stuff from Dollar Tree. The first stuff which I'm using are these chopping mats. They come in a pack of two. I mostly saw people arranging some placemats in the fridge as a liner, but I found chopping mat more convenient. They're flexible and you can easily cut them out in any shape. The second thing which I bought from Dollar Tree as well are these dish pans. They perfectly fit in the bottom drawer or a cheese drawer in your fridge. I love these containers with the handle. If you have stuff which you can put at the back, you can just conveniently put at the back and pull them out. These containers, and I bought these containers which comes in a pack of two, and I'll show you later in this video how I use these containers. So after cleaning everything, first I'm organizing my vegetable drawer. So most of the vegetables release some kind of gases, which if one vegetable releases that gas will ruin the other vegetables. I hope I'm making sense what I'm saying here. So I use these separate containers. One container is for tomatoes. So tomatoes, if one tomato is going bad, so it won't ruin my other vegetables. The smaller container is for all my herbs like some cilantro, mint, and all the green chilies. And rest of the space is for other vegetables. And this is how my vegetable drawer is completely organized. So now come to the bottom drawer, and these dish pans, as you can see, they're perfectly fitting in there. I use one container to arrange all my cheese and some cheese slices and blocks, and use rest of the space for the other stuff. Now I'm arranging my chopping mat. As you can see, they are perfect for this place. And as I already told you, you can easily cut them in any shape. I am arranging all my condiments in this condiment bin, and it's perfect and it's going back to its place. So nothing is permanent in the fridge or freezer. So I adore this container for one more reason. If you label it with some dry erase marker, you can anytime change it. So I use one of this container for my breakfast butter and jams. And in other container, I am arranging all the yogurt which we use for smoothies and breakfast. And I got this cute acrylic container, and I'm using it for the drinkable yogurt. It's presentable and it's cute. So top shelf of my fridge have all the breakfast items there. This is my daily using item, some ginger, garlic, which I use for everyday cooking. This is my condiment side. I am very low on green chutney, which I'm gonna be making soon since Ramadan are coming. And then these are all my leftovers. This is my vegetable drawer, which we just organized and I showed you in detail. The other one is my fruit drawer. I am low on fruit as well, since I always clean before going for grocery shopping. Then the bottom drawer, as I already showed, I use this for all my cheese blocks, cube cheese. You can easily pull it out and put it back together if you want to. That's the front part of this dish pan. I put my leftover cheese in a Ziploc bag, and all my cheese slices are perfectly fitting in there. Even kids can take them out and make sandwich for themselves. All my butter and everything is there as well. Since it's an extra cold drawer, so all the flour tortillas, condiments, and salads are in this drawer. So now my fridge is completely organized and I'm loving these shelf liners. If you have any kind of spill, you can just take it out and just wash them. They perfectly fit in the side bins as well. And the second adorable thing are these baskets. If you have anything to put at the back, just put in these drawers. You can pull them out easily, and then they make your fridge look adorable and organized. And now it's time to move to the freezer. I arrange all my breads and doughs at the one side of the top shelf of the freezer drawer. For the other side, I was using this Stack'em container, but now I am putting this shelf which we just used for vegetable drawer, and I'm arranging all my boiled beans and chickpeas and all those kind of frozen little items going in there, and the rest of the stuff, big package, goes at the back. So this is how I arranged my top drawer of freezer. Everything have its place now. Everything looks organized and contained. You remember I used this small container for herbs, and I am using this to store all the popsicles and frozen snacks which my kids use so they don't disorganize my freezer at all. For the bottom drawer, I already showed this. I always use these tote bags for arranging my stuff in the freezer. The one is for frozen fruit, another one is for vegetables. This one is for my all my meat, and then this is the locker bin which I got from Dollar Tree. I arranged all my frozen dinners in there like a file system way. I already made a meal planning video, and I will show you in detail how I do this in that video, and I will share that very soon with you guys. The another tote bag is for all my seafood, so nothing will get contaminated. So this is my bottom shelf of the freezer completely organized, and this is my top shelf. If you like this video, please let me know in a comment. And if you are using any of the organizing idea at your home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Want to learn something else? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click on the links to enjoy more videos like this.